That's me right there.
Can't stop. Don't stop. Hold up.
That's me right there. Nobody gotta tell me how to do it.
It's me, Kiki Proper, my first Miss Proper, my first post. Today's my first post ever. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a fake tongue piercing. Gang. So what should I call you guys? After my Musical.ly page got 50 fans? I know, y'all think I'm mad late. Shut up. This is a dream come true. I want to reach 60 in this piece. And please get my fans up, subscribe. Hit that bell, notification bell, and press the subscription button. It won't hurt to give a sis a like. And one. Come on, I'm trying to get my video. So now I'm gonna be showing you how to do the thing. I'll be back. Guys, I'm back with what we need. So the things we're gonna be needing is, what's the other one? My bad, people. So we're gonna be needing diamonds. I'm gonna be taking some little diamonds that you could get from. I might learn how to make a nose piercing. Oh, I got the perfect ones for the nose piercings. So guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make tongue. I meant to say tongue. I mean tongue piercing and a nose clip piercing. I'll be back with the nose clip piercing. Wait a second. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I found it. This is it. We're gonna use this for a nose piercing. Guys, I'm back with what we need. So the things we're gonna be needing is some little studs. Any type of like studs or anything like that. My parents are Jamaican, so you're gonna be hearing so much Jamaican stuff from my mom. And they're gonna be hearing lots of Jamaican accents in the background. And for our tongue piercing, we're gonna need these or anything else. And for our nose piercing, we're just gonna need this. These. And for the tongue piercing, we're gonna need two things. The studs and nail glue. Y'all like, oh, why am I gonna put nail glue on my tongue? No, Kiki Miss Proper. No, we're not doing that today. No, guys, take it by me. It's not gonna stick on your tongue. I tried every single time. It's not gonna stick on your tongue. Like, it's right there. It fell. Only, it's like I didn't put it on my tongue yet. I did put it on my tongue. It turned this color because it had some in my mouth. And you guys, you're gonna want to put it on this, not to put it actually on your tongue. No, that's not gonna make it come off. It's gonna be stuck on your tongue. Oh, that's it. See? Find this spot. Okay, so now let's get into it. So you want to get your nail glue, and your stud. You want to know why I took two? I don't know why. In case one fell. And I don't want to get too messy and unprofessional. Oh my god. I knew it would stick on my tongue. This is why, because I've been messing up a lot. So that one's garbage. I recommend to dry your tongue first. I'm only putting a little drop on there. Oh no, don't get it on my finger. It will come off, so don't worry, you'll talk normal. I got her nail glue up there. And make sure you guys use a little bit. Guys, I bet y'all like, oh my god, your hair's so ugly, Kiki. Why you come on the internet looking like that? I said the same thing to my mom. I'm like, I'm finna do something this tomorrow, and I don't. And today is a school night. I just hate school. It just makes me want to jump off a bridge. You guys are like, would you rather? Okay, guys, I got a question for you. Would you rather, what's it called again? Go to school or break your face? I said, go to school because I'm not trying to hurt myself. Because then at the same time, school will be over eventually. Can't keep in school all day, every day. Yeah. I'm obsessed with this piece. Oh no. So guys, in case it's sticking on your tongue, peel it off. And it will come off. Don't listen to the voices, people. It's not nowhere better. If it don't come off, and then you peel it off, wait until tomorrow. Like, do that. Not for the nose piercing. The only thing you're gonna need is the nose, is an earring, or you could buy the ones from the stores. Where'd it go? Okay, I'll be back. Wait a minute. I'm back. You want to take your earring, or you could buy one. You can buy like a normal nose piercing, and you're gonna want to break off the clamp off these earrings, of any hoop earrings. I'm taking the tiny ones because I don't want to big old hoop earring. But it was only a tiny one. However big, you could get the medium ones. There's other small ones, but not these small ones, like the small ones. You know what I mean? The medium ones, no large ones, because that's not going to work out. You're going to look like a Mad Max. And then you could bend it to your prefer, and then you could break off the latch, bend to your preference until it fits in your nose. And I might just break this off. And then those, my mom's making something, I don't know. Aki, I think she's making aki. If you know, Jamaicans eat aki, not aki. I'll be back with this buffing because I'm not trying to make my video long. And in my videos, you're going to see me being ghetto. Get this video up. Get the likes up, baby. I'm gonna go cut this instead of buff it, like, cause I don't want nothing sharp in my nose. So I'll be back. I'm back. I put nail glue on the top so I can have a grip, so it won't be hurting my nose like that. And we're gonna close it up soon. Let's just make this dry. I'm gonna edit these videos soon. I actually just edited it, so I edited the first parts already. And okay, it's dry now, guys. Let's see if it's perfectly dry. Okay, it's perfectly dry. It didn't stick on my fingers, and it didn't stick on my fingers. It's not supposed to have a whole grip. That's not good. I miss my tongue piercings. They all are fails. I don't know how to put on nail glue properly with my nails. So, makes no sense ever buying nails again. I might not never ever buy nails again. Hey, okay, now you wanna put it on. You look nice and hippie. You will look nice and hippie. I'm gonna bend it to more. Okay, guys, so I might start to end this video, but guys, you guys want to know some more about me? Tell me in the description. I'll do an all about me day. Jesus Christ. Oh, I got it. It'll come out. I did it to my perfect. Looks so cool. I'm gonna, ow, it hurts because I did it too tight. Guys, I want to make it look matte, so I'm gonna use my big matte top coat. Okay, let's paint it properly. Yeah, I'm about to finish this. So let me get out this buff. This is not gonna work out. Jesus Christ, I dropped it. At least the matte top coat dries fast. So I don't got nothing to worry about. Let's just paint it more. Jesus Christ. Hey. So we're gonna make it dry. So I might not. Okay, guys. We're finished. So, okay, guys. Bye. Subscribe. Hit that bell. Notification bell. And we'll have a lit day. So, peace. Bye. Love all.
I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping.